Hey guys, it's Bobby here, and welcome to the How to Grow Your YouTube Channel in 2020 to get more views, to get more subscribers, and to make more money from YouTube. So this is episode number 6, and I'm going to talk about adding cards to all of your videos, right? So why do you need to add a card? What is that? So basically, when you add a card to your video on YouTube, you'll see the suggested video on the top left. Actually, top right, I believe, right? So then you can click on the link and it'll go directly to that video that you linked to that card. So if you have, I suggest listening through your video when you upload it. So if I had a video and I mentioned something about how to grow your YouTube channel with 0 views and 0 subscribers, then I'll link that video there, right? Perfect. And I just want to recap yesterday's tip number 5, right? So I talked about TubeBuddy and vidIQ as Chrome extensions. I wanted to find out which one do you guys use on a daily basis and why. Comment down below. Are you using TubeBuddy or are you using vidIQ? Please let me know in the comments below. Thank you. So another way to add a card to your video is, well, let's face it, there's only 5, right? YouTube will only allow you up to 5 cards per video, and it has to be relatable to that video. Because I don't know if you guys are familiar, before you add any video of yours to your card for that video, right? But now it's only related videos where you can actually just select. But there's actually a hint. You can copy the watch link and paste it on that line that says, what's your video URL? So I didn't find that out until the other day. So extra tip for you guys. Perfect. So another strategy for adding a card is you find out, you go to a video, you go to find out why or when people are stop watching your video, right? So the video retention, okay? And so you go to YouTube, right? You go to your video analytics and you kind of look for the audience retention, and it will show you like a 7-minute video, right? If it's a 7-minute video, and if the viewers just dropped off around 3 minutes and 15 seconds, add a card right there or right before that, all right? So that will get your viewers, your current viewers that's viewing that video, to watch more of your videos, increasing watch time. Remember, YouTube doesn't care about all the views. They care about the watch time in the videos. All right, does that make sense? All right, and like I said, the next episode is going to be tip number 7, where I will show you how to retain your watch time, right? Retain your viewers, and please look out for that tomorrow. And give me a thumbs up if you like this video and these series. Subscribe and click the notification bell so when tip number 7 comes out tomorrow, you'll be notified. All right, guys. Peace out. You guys have a good day.